wrong login. Yeah. Alright. Wait a second. Oh, whoops. I made a complete mistake. This, I meant to put it in here. Sorry. Okay, there. Now, this login's supposed to be registered. Forgot to change it. Okay, so this is technically the code for the login. I accidentally put for the register. That's why I made a mistake. Anyway, now we're gonna go to the register, double click the register, and add in this code. Text box .enable equals false. Text box 2.enable equals false. And message box registered right. Now the reason for making enables false for the register is because for the login, when you're registering, it's also requiring the two text boxes right here to be false. Because if it's just copying, if these text boxes are copying the registered text boxes, without clicking register, it's gonna go without it being enabled. That's why in the coding, I asked for it to also be false. So that way you're gonna have to click register in order for it to move on. So when you have all that coding, we're gonna add another form 3. Try to make it at least maybe this big. And take off the maximizing. I'm gonna call it loading or locking or whatever. Okay, and then go to label 1, add label 1, call loading or logging in. Then go to font. I'm gonna make this a little bit bigger. Yeah, a little bit bigger than that. Then now we're gonna add in a timer and a progress bar. Just like that. And when you're done with all that, you're gonna double click the form, the entire form, and say timer 1.start. So that way, when we go to this form, it's gonna start timer 1. In which cases, it'll start the progress bar. So we're gonna double click the timer now. Let's go progress bar 1 dot increment hyphen 1. If progress bar 1 dot value equals progress bar 1 dot maximum, then timer 1 dot start form 4 dot show me dot close message box welcome. Alright, so we got all the script. So this part of the script is gonna tell the progress bar to load. And then this part of the script says if the progress bar reaches its maximum end of the end right here, from there to there, it's going to it's gonna stop the timer, not start. It's gonna stop the timer. I'll make form 4 shell and close C and close form 3. And then a message box is gonna come up. Okay, welcome. So now we're gonna go to project and add another form. Just a regular form. And call it welcome. And you don't really have to do anything to it. Unless you want to like make your program in form 4. We're just gonna put in label 1, name it test. Make a picture so that way we can see the word to make sure that we reach the end of the program. So here we go. Here we are at the login, and then we have to register. We'll go to File, Register, then add in your password and username and password. Click Register. Then keep the register up and don't close it. And then put in the same exact stuff you put it in the register. And click Login. And they both close, and then it's gonna log you in. And there we go. We're at the end. We're at our program, which is test. Now, to prove that this actually works, if we just click without doing really anything, it's going to say now login. Or if we just type anything random, like whatever, I really don't care what you put in. It's going to say wrong login. Now, if we hit register and we hit login, it's going to work. However, to prove it one more time, if we type in test and then test and hit register, then we type in test and now we just type in pull up, whatever, I really don't care, hit login, so it's telling you it's the wrong login. Even if you register because it's the wrong password, it's not gonna kind of just like let you log in because it's enabled. Every single detail has to be correct in order for it to work. So I can just hit right password and boom, and log in. And then you're gonna have, and every time you open login, you're gonna keep making registered accounts. It's not really gonna change much, but whatever. Thank you for watching on how to make a login system in Visual Basic 2008. Please subscribe and